Hi everyone, I'm Mustafa. We are together again in a new video. In this video, I will share with you a model, and now I will show you how it works. This is the notification model. You can use this one in your app. So like this, there is an icon here, and you will see if there is if you have notification. Okay, let's make some example. Okay, let's go to the cells and let's create new one. Okay, let's say that new cell. Okay, that's random. I'm writing all these things. And again, new cell 2. This is the. Okay, now let's make a change. Edit cell. Let's. Okay. And let's create one, and this one is the delete. We will delete this one. That's all right. Okay, okay, let's delete this one. That's okay. Okay, let's make example with the orders. New order, new. Okay, that will be enough, I think. Let's go to the notification overview. As you see, yes, all logs are here. Logs have been created here, and also let me refresh. And as you see, icon has also changed. It's now red, and also as you see, there is a number here of the notifications, unread notifications number. Let me click here. Yes, as you see, the backend color is now red. Background is red because this is unread, and as you see, some icon is different. This one is the new. This is the delayed notification, and this one is also again delayed. This is the edit notification. When you click this one, you can read the changings, and when you click this, yes, as you see, when you click the delete one, it will be the as you see, green backend. And again, as you see, as just now we read, yeah, when you click the here close page, it will be removed from pop-up notification page. Yes, as you see now, when I click the notification, I can read the object, and when I click the clear all of them will be removed from notification. I won't be able to see none of them. Now, okay, let's go to the Mendix Pro, and let's show Mac the Explorer. Yes, if you want to change the colors or positions of the notifications pop-ups, you can go here and team search, and as you see, there is a notification SCSS file, and you can change colors, positions, or the other things, or you can add the more things. Let's go to the header. I put this one the header because I want to be affected everywhere. For that reason, I put the layout header, and now you can design this one however you want, or you can put this one and however wherever you want to see it. Okay, let me find in this time. Yeah, this is the notification list, and you can design also all these things. That's all what I will tell. Okay, see you next videos.